Good evening and a hearty welcome to Choreo 2020. As the sun descends slowly below the horizon with promises for a new dawn, we, the members of the Talented Bankers Group, have all assembled virtually in the Twilight Zone to watch the stunning performances of a group of talented dancers. Hearty welcome to one and all. TB Group was formed on 7th of April 2016 with a motto, a place to share your creativities, a place to get away from the tensions at workplace, a place where everyone will encourage. Bring back the real you from your school college days. Recently, Mr. Swapnaraj had posted in TB Group. The post goes like this. ഈ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ചേർന്ന ശേഷം നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്ത കാര്യങ്ങൾ പങ്കുവയ്ക്കുമല്ലോ, പലർക്കും ഒരു പ്രചോദനമാകട്ടെ. യെസ് മിസ്റ്റർ സ്വപ്നരാജ്, അത് പലർക്കും ഒരു പ്രചോദനമായി തുടങ്ങി. The responses, some of the striking responses which I'm able to recollect goes like this. Discovery of the real me in me, explore the hidden talents, find time during weekends for artwork. And one of the most interesting responses, I liked it. മടി പിടിച്ചിട്ടും പൊടി പിടിച്ചിട്ടും പല ഇഷ്ടങ്ങളും കുഞ്ഞു കുഞ്ഞു സന്തോഷങ്ങളും തിരിച്ചെത്തിയതിൻ്റെ സന്തോഷം, തിരിച്ചെത്തി തുടങ്ങിയതിൻ്റെ സന്തോഷം. യെസ്, TB Group has brought immense happiness to its members. Discovery of the self. I am a clear example. My talents were all hidden until the year 2018. After joining TB Group, I was given an opportunity to exhibit my photographic creation. I should thank my friend Sri Lakshmi also, who had the courtesy to carry my photographs from Kollam to Ernakulam despite of my absence. This is a clear example of the teamwork in TB Group, encouraging each other. Mr. Arun had recently posted one of his photographs with a caption, I am not a talented person. That itself is a clear example that Mr. Arun has started exploring his talents. So definitely TB Group is a platform which has given us immense happiness, which is going to give us immense happiness, and a lot of creativities are going to come up. So thank you, Talented Bankers Group and its coordinators, from the bottom of my heart. Over to dance. So what is dance? The definition of dance. It's a performing art form. I'll just read it out because I'm not able to recollect the actual words. Dance is a performing art form consisting of purposefully selected sequences of human movement. This movement has aesthetic and symbolic value and is acknowledged as dance by performers and observers within a particular culture. Dance can be categorized and described by its choreography, by its repertoire of movements, or by its historical period or place of origin. So dance is actually the hidden language of the soul. ആത്മാവിൻ്റെ മറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്ന ഭാഷയാണ് നൃത്തം. I can cite a clear example for this. So when this Choreo 2020 was posted, I happened to notice it very late, maybe last week. I immediately plunged into it. Even after seeing party dance, I thought, no, I'll be able to perform, I should join. But there was a conflict between the soul and the body. The soul was continuously prompting, this is not a place for you. You will not be able to perform good. And the body was shying away. So I started losing concentration. So unless the body and the soul unites, I'll not be able to perform. Of course, time due to some hectic work at home, time was a constraint for me. But still, the main reason for backing out was this. And I couldn't get any concentration. But last time, that is on May 9th, I still remember there was absolute unity between the body and the soul, and because of that, I was able to perform despite of my hectic schedules. So dance is definitely the hidden language of the soul. So today we are going to watch the hidden language of the souls and the bodies of our talented dancers. So let us sit back, relax and enjoy and have a good evening. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you. Thank you all.